Hello guys, it's me Anonymous1270 and this video is going to be a quick tutorial on how you can do dual format streaming on your Twitch using OBS Studio. So let's get started. First thing first, you need to install this Atom Vertical plugin. I will put this link in the description, like 1.6.1. If your device is Windows, you guys can install this Windows installer.exe. If it's macOS, you guys can install macOS pkg and gnu.deb if it's Linux. Okay, so once you have installed this Atom Vertical plugin, you guys can see this vertical canvas over here and horizontal canvas over here. Okay, so first thing first, what you need to do is go to settings, go to stream, select your service to Twitch, connect your account, and you guys can see multi-track video if you guys got access to beta. Currently this feature is only limited to beta testers, so if you are in beta test, you guys can continue with the same settings, or you guys can tweak your settings according to your device configuration. Okay, so first thing first, you need to enable the enhanced broadcasting and select your maximum streaming band. I always use 15,000 kbps, so it's 15,000 kbps. Okay, now maximum video track, so mine it's working 5 really smooth. Okay, I didn't see any issues in this. So after that, you guys need to select additional canvas, which is Atom Vertical. Okay, don't forget to select this, else it will not going to work like that. So if you guys want to do, make sure to check this Atom Vertical stream is selected over here. And after that, you guys just need to go to output and select this. First you need to select this video encoder. Now let's go to output mode, and here we need to select our video encoder. Once you have done all the things, you guys can just leave all the things as it is. Here you guys can see rescale output. It's gonna be the default like 1920 1080. If it's 720p, you guys can just change it to 1920 1080. And after that, you guys can see rate control. So it's really important, like you guys can select rate control at CBR, constant bitrate, and bitrate gonna be the same like whatever you selected for streaming there. Keyframe interval gonna be 2 seconds, and preset gonna be like just leave it as default. We don't want any lag on the stream, right? And after that, tuning, just select anything you want. Like if you are streaming on high quality, you guys can select high quality, and if you guys need something like ultra low latency, you guys can do that ultra low latency too. Now multipass mode, you guys can select 2 passes quarter resolution or full resolution. Just put all the things as it is. Okay, after that, go to video. Base resolution gonna be 1920 1080. Output scaled, it gonna be same. You guys just need to change your FPS value, which is I think by default it's 30. You guys need to make it 60 fps. Okay, now go to settings over here. After that, you guys can see streaming bitrate gonna be the same. Start and okay guys, here you need to check this, like you need to start and stop streaming when the main OBS starts and stop streaming. This is important because you guys know like we don't want any interference between like your other stream will be delay or early, so we don't want that, right? So once we check this, make sure everything is same. We don't need to use this because it's gonna pick up all the things by itself. Okay, now once everything is done, you guys are good to go. Start streaming, and once you start streaming, you guys can see your stream is already done. Okay, let me show you. Do one.